Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 1, week number 4. We put all of our gears together. Here's the elements. Swing out. Rock, step, triple step, step, step. Swing out and open, rock, step, triple step, step, step. And now the circle, rock, step, triple step, step, step. The Charleston goes rock, step, kick, knee, kick, step, rock, step, kick, knee. The third gear goes rock, step, rock, step, turned underneath, rock, step, traded sides, rock, step, turn, and catch, and there we go. During class today, we mixed and matched all of those pieces. If we do so, it looks something like this. Hey, ho, and here we go.